Okay guys, here's unboxing video for the Robinhood Debit card. Okay, let's see. Sorry, my nose is still leaking because I just ran out there on my skateboard to go get it from the mailbox. It's pretty cold outside right now in Utah, so alright, check it out guys. Let's see. Ooh, that's kind of a fancy mechanic there. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so it says, let's see, I'll show you guys there. I guess it's backwards for you guys. Democratizing America's financial systems. I'll show you right there. There she is, my black card. I would have gotten white, but I figured, let's see if it has, yeah, it has a swipe strip. Check it out. There she is. It's really cool looking. I like how this is shiny down here. And the back here. There's the back. I like it. It looks cool. It looks kind of classy looking. That's why I like it. Very nice.